How to update profile picture on Facebook without losing likes. So if you want to update profile picture on Facebook without losing likes, then first open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and go with your profile. So just switch to your profile in your Facebook, go with the upper right and tap on that profile icon. Once you tap on it, now go with the profile picture and tap on choose profile picture. And you can go with photos of you, or here you will have uploads option. You can go with uploads. Once you're under the uploads, you just need to simply choose the image that you've already used on your Facebook so that you won't lose any likes. So tap and choose any picture and adjust the picture. Go with done, which is on the upper right, and then save. That's how you can update your profile picture on Facebook without losing any likes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.